I know dozens of truckers outside of rail, and I talk to them every day, all day long. My little cousin drives every day for another company. I talk to him. I have a trainee that just left a couple of weeks ago. He wanted the home daily, and we didn't offer it where he was at. He's at a new company. He calls me every day for hours telling me how horrible it is, and he wishes rail had home daily so he could come back because he misses it. But I would say the majority of people I talk to are drivers at another company, and I hear their feedback all day long. They're trying to convince me to come to them. There ain't no way. So my number one focus was I need a company that's going to train me right and safely. Anytime in the past 2 years that I've been driving and I'm like, this is sketchy, all I got to do is make a call, and they let me sit until it's not sketchy anymore. I have buddies that work at a lot of other companies that don't have that luxury. They are forced to drive no matter what it looks like. And so, yeah. No, it just makes your day-to-day so much more at ease. You can do the job you need to do and not have to worry about it. Your company forcing you to do anything. I want to get home when I want to go home, and I want to be able to see my loved ones. And I think everybody out there on the roadways right now would feel the same exact way. And that's why safety is so important to me. You're going to be able to drive more miles. You're going to make more money. It all just runs hand in hand. So not only are you protecting America while you deliver all their goods, you're making more money doing it because you're choosing to be safe. You may have to drive a little slower at times, but you're going to make it versus not. As long as I do everything safe and on time, nobody bothers me at all. Getting micromanaged is just going to stress you out, raise your anxiety. It's taking your focus off of what you need to be focused on, and that's going to increase the likelihood of something bad happening. So I think rail does a great job of running that middle line. They give you all the information you need. They're there to assist you if you need anything, but they're not over the top with it. I think the pay here is exactly what it needs to be for what we're doing. Way more money than I've ever made at any other career I've had. If you go into the rail app and look at my average pay, not once have I been remotely close to what my base pay says it is. I'm 30, 45 cents above that. So when you see that sliding scale and you think of starter companies, it's not that way. You're just not reading the information appropriately, probably, or got some bad words from somebody else. I don't ask to go home very often, but when I do, or if something's come up, like they're on top of it. They care about me and having my time off. They don't bother me when I'm at home. Rail's equipment management is top of the line. Well-maintained equipment makes my life so much easier. It makes so much easier being out here. Peace of mind, knowing your equipment is going to function the way you need it to. And if something does go wrong, you just call maintenance and they have it fixed as quickly as they can. I really don't know why people aren't running the rail. Honestly. I know if I was somewhere else, I would have been.